What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel and AOMC. Today I want to talk to you about Suzuki's 2023 model announcement yesterday. Before I get into that though, I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this are Suzuki people, and I just want to remind you that our channel sponsor, AOMC, we are a Suzuki dealer. So we have Suzuki OEM parts as well as aftermarket parts on our website. So if you're looking for a new spot to grab your Suzuki stuff, we'd love it if you give us a try. You can use coupon code MXGuru to save 10%. If you have any issues, leave them right here in the comment section. We'll take care of them. All right, guys. So about 2 months ago, I did a video on the photos of the Suzukis in the Japanese Nationals, where normally we would see spy photos or photos of what could be the new bike. So we saw an RMZ 450 with a hydraulic clutch on it, and did a video where I sat here at the counter and we looked at it closely and went over it, and we saw that it was probably just a bolt-on hydraulic clutch, and from my best guess, that we weren't getting a new 2023 RMZ 450, and Suzuki confirmed that yesterday. Their whole 2023 model lineup, I didn't see any changes besides color schemes unless I missed something. They do have a really cool looking DRZ 400 Supermoto though, a really cool blue. Wish they had that color in the DRZ 400 off-road version, but I digress. There is one cool thing to talk about though, and it's the RM ARMY promotion that they're doing. So if you buy an RMZ between, I think it's July 1st and September 30th, you get a free exhaust and a free graphic kit and a QR code to get the numbers that go with the graphic kit. So you get a Yoshi RS12 exhaust. That's the stainless header and aluminum can. Really sweet looking exhaust. It's like an $800 exhaust. So you're gonna get that. You're gonna get the graphics kit and the numbers, which are $150, $180 value, something like that. The only bummer is that stuff is going to be shipped to the dealer that you buy the bike from. It's going to be shipped there later. Don't know how much delay there's going to be in that. It's really cool. I mean, you get the RMZ 450, for example, retails at $89.99. So you get almost $1,000 of accessories. Starts to bring the price back down to, multiple thousands of dollars cheaper than some of the other brands. So something really cool. I think it might have been better if Suzuki would have just made an RM ARMY edition when it just did like graphics, wheels, seat cover, stuff like that. But this is better than nothing. So for you RMZ guys, you have something at least. Now, obviously everybody knows this bike's a little off the 8 ball when it comes to being right there with the other brands. However, the platform that's out now, the generation RMZ 450 at least that's out now, is awesome. I still like it better than the current Yamahas, from my personal preference. It's great. I got a couple videos where I test rode them, really liked them. So unless you're at a super high level or you just want the newest and the best of the best, I would not hesitate to go out and get an RMZ 450. That's if you can find one. We finally got our 2022 a couple weeks ago at AMC, and it lasted like a week on the floor. So there are still people buying these bikes. So as far as any rumors or what might be going on, we know Suzuki sells a ton of units in the Asian scooter market. That's where they make their money. We also know that they came onto the scene in MotoGP a few years ago and ended up winning the championship, which is pretty crazy. And they've since pulled that team. I've heard rumors that the funding for that team, which I would imagine it's extremely expensive, is going to go to off-road. I don't know if that means off-road R&D or off-road teams or satellite team support or what, but that may not even happen, but I've heard that rumor. So let's hope Suzuki gets involved. Suzuki, if you're watching, we want you guys, we don't want to lose you guys. We want you guys involved in the industry. So throw some R&D our way. All right, guys, I appreciate all y'all. Just a reminder, if you want to support the channel, you can subscribe, you can hit the bell, you can hit the blue join, and you can grab your parts from AOMC. In the description, there's a link down there. Grab your parts, use coupon code MXGuru, and you're going to support this channel at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're going to save 10%. So appreciate you all. I'll see you guys in the next video, RM ARMY.